What is programmatic and DSP? Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to teach you what programmatic and DSP means. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So programmatic and DSP, this is a type of programmatic advertising using DSP, obviously, which stands for Demand Side Platform. Now, according to Taboola, Taboola's a DSP inside of programmatic advertising. A Demand Side Platform, or a DSP, it's a type of software that advertisers use to automate the process of buying ad inventory from publishers. So programmatic advertising is really just a way to do advertising using a program. And then DSP stands for Demand Side Platform. And using this Demand Side Platform, you can run ads. Taboola, Outbrain, Steelhouse, Mountain, these are examples of networks. In addition to that, Amazon has a DSP as well. So where does this fit into the overall advertising equation? Well, generally, after people have gone through search, after they've gone through paid social, a lot of times they will be looking to do more upper funnel DSP or programmatic based ads. Also, in some cases, for specific types of businesses, they can be a good place to start. It just depends on what likelihood you have of success in the first initial networks. If you have any questions about programmatic or DSP, leave it below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.